I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. This one got hit good in the quarter panel, dog leg area. They call this, for slang term, a dog leg. Wadded it up good and also folded up the wheelhouse completely inside of here. So this one is going to get a new quarter panel, which I have right here, as well as the wheelhouse. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some pulls and roughly pull this damage out before I start cutting it apart. So this isn't pulling out very well. Everything, the wheelhouse is just wanting to separate from the quarter panel. I don't think it's really going to matter much. I'll make some more pulls if necessary once I get the outer panel cut off, but I don't think it's really going to be necessary unless I see something in there that I can't see right now. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do just some rough cuts, cut it short, and just get the outer panel off, and then I will go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roughly sit this quarter panel on here, and it's gonna overlap at each of the two seams. And then I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna score on the original quarter panel on the car. And then I will take this panel back off and I will trim the car back the rest of the way, and I will have a perfect seam. So I have the quarter panel roughly sitting on here, and I have the outer wheelhouse fit up. I want to make sure that it was sitting just like it's supposed to, where it's sitting flush against the quarter panel throughout here, and it looks like it's fitting very nice. So I am going to lift the quarter panel back off, lift the wheelhouse out, and it gets some panel bond adhesive, structural adhesive on the wheelhouse, and then I will go ahead and put that wheelhouse in and get it welded in permanently. And then after that's in, I will start doing a final fitment on the quarter panel. Alright, I got this one all fit together. I got my trunk lid and tail light all lining up good, as well as my rear door gap. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift this quarter panel back off. I'll put my glue throughout this area, and then I will put that quarter panel on permanently and get it welded on. Well, I just about have this one wrapped up, ready for some fill work on the two seams. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do the fill work and get it primed up and get it off to our paint department. And I am going to dive into my next one.